Hi, this is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, president and owner of Source Development, Inc., a residential and commercial construction company in Garnerville, New York, and this is how to loosen pipe fittings. Now, depending on the type of pipe you're using, you'll require different methods. Obviously, if you're using PVC or any form of plastic, the whole idea behind the glue is that it gets fused together. So more than likely, you're going to have to cut it back at a certain point and then refit it. If you're using galvanized pipes, which is very typical, you want to try to loosen it up, and it'll give you a hard time because what happens is they also fuse together, but for a different reason. It forms a rust in between, and it's very hard. A little elbow grease, maybe a little heat, and some penetrating oil. And be careful because the penetrating oil is highly combustible, so you want to make sure you don't use them in tandem with one another. Back off the torch and then add the heat. But let's say you do get a situation where you're really having a hard time with a galvanized pipe and you're trying to get it out. What I do is I cut down the centers of the threaded portion of the pipe. So I form two halves with it, split it, and that'll loosen up the pipe and you get it off. Obviously, you'd have to replace the fitting and it could go on and on and on, but it's a method that I use depending on what you do. Another is that you could go up above the pipe, cut it, and add a fernco. A fernco is a fastener that fastens two pipes together. It uses a rubber compression fitting to join it. If you're dealing with copper compression, ferrules and nuts, they also require you to cut them beyond the ferrule, remove the nut if you want to. You could always reuse the nut, but if you're at it, you may as well replace it, along with the ferrule. And this was how to loosen pipe fittings. This is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, helping you build a better life, and we'll see you next time.